Okay, so now we'll do differentiation revision. So let's see the formulas. The first formula is, here we will write function y, or you can write it as f of x, and here we write its derivative, which is denoted by dy by dx or f dash of x. Both are same. Now what is the formula of x raised to n? Derivative of x raised to n, it is n into x raised to n minus 1. Then we have, what will be the derivative of e raised to x? It is e raised to x. Next, derivative of log x. Log x derivative is 1 by x. Then we have a raised to x, derivative of a raised to x, which is a raised to x log a. And derivative of k, where k is constant. So what is derivative of constant? It is 0. For example, let's take one example for this, each of them. Example. Okay, now suppose we have y is equals to x raised to 5. So what will be its derivative? 5. Apply this formula. 5 x raised to 5 minus 1, which is 4. Similarly, e raised to x, if y is e raised to x, then its derivative will be also e raised to x. Now suppose we have derivative of 2 log x. Y is 2 log x. So what will be its derivative? 2 is constant and it is in multiplication. So we will write 2 as it is into 1 upon x, which is 2 upon x. Then we have a raised to x, where a is any number. So suppose take y as, this is y is 3 raised to x. So its derivative will be a raised to x into log a. So a is 3, so 3 raised to x into log 3. Next, what will be derivative of 10? It will be 0. 10 is constant and derivative of constant is 0. Okay, so these are basic formulas of derivative, and I've taken one example. Now two more formulas we have. First one is d by dx of u into v. What is the formula? U into derivative of v plus v into derivative of u into derivative of v plus v into derivative of u. Okay, and d by dx of u upon v. U upon v is v into derivative of u minus u into derivative of v upon v square upon v square. This is formula for derivative. So these are the formulas. इसके बेसिस पे हमारे पूरे क्वेश्चंस हो जाएंगे डेरिवेटिव के. Okay, now let's solve few questions based on this. Suppose we want to find derivative of y is equals to log x the whole square. Y is log x the whole square. Now how to find dy by dx? dy by dx कैसे फाइंड करेंगे? So first क्या होगा? This is of the form x to the power n. बेस में क्या है? x का टर्म है function of x and then you have a number. So what do we do? What is the formula? n into x raised to n minus 1. Similarly here you will write 2 into log x. Log x raised to 2 minus 1, which is 1. So log x into क्या करना है? We have to multiply the derivative of our function of x, which is log x here. So it will be 1 upon x. So dy by dx is 2 upon x into log x. Okay, next question is, suppose you have f of x is given as x log x. Okay, f of x is x log x. So what you will do? यहाँ पे now this is terms with x, this is also terms with x, दो x के terms multiplication में. So what you will do? u into v rule. Okay, so what will be derivative of f of x is written as f dash of x. So what you will do? x will be as it is into derivative of v, which is log x का derivative 1 by x, plus v which is log x into derivative of u, x का derivative 1, so which is nothing but 1 plus log x. This is derivative of x log x. Now let's take some more example. F of x is x square upon e to the power x, and we have to find f dash of 1. Now what does f dash of 1 means here? F dash means we have to find the derivative, and what does this 1 indicate? So once we find the derivative, which is f dash of x, whatever we will get, this value will be in terms of x. So what you will do after finding f dash of x, put x is equals to 1. In place of x we will put 1. So here also wherever there is x we will put 1 and get the answer. So first find derivative of, let's find the derivative of f dash of x. So this is of the form, this is terms with x, this is also terms with x. So दो x के terms क्या है? Division में. So what we will do? We will apply u upon v rule. So what is the formula? v into derivative of u, x square का derivative, which is 2x, minus u is e raised to x, into derivative of minus x square into derivative of v, which is e to the power x upon e to the power 2x, means e raised to x the whole square, you can also write. Now what can we take common here? X, e raised to x is common. Okay, so take common e raised to x common. यहाँ क्या बचेगा? 2x minus x square. We can take x also common, not an issue, the whole square. Now e raised to x और एक e raised to x क्या होगा? Cancel. 2x minus x square upon e to the power x. This is f dash of x. F dash of x is 2x minus x square upon e to the power x. Now what we have to do? We have to find f dash of 1. F dash of 1. So in place of x we have substituted 1. So here also 2 into 1 minus 1 the whole square upon e to the power 1, which is 2 minus 1 upon e. What is 2 minus 1? 1 upon e. So this is our answer. Okay. This is f dash of 1. F dash of 1 is 1 upon e. Right. Next example. Let's take y is equals to e to the power root 2x. Y is e to the power root 2x, and we have to find what will be dy by dx. So this is of the form, this is e to the power x. e raised to x है, so उसका डेरिवेटिव क्या होता है? e raised to x. So it will be e to the power root 2x into, we will take derivative of this whole x. This is our, इसको x कंसिडर किया था तो उसका डेरिवेटिव. So root 2 into x. Root 2x we can write it as root 2 into root x. This is constant and in multiplication. So उसका डेरिवेटिव क्या आएगा? root 2 आएगा into what is derivative of root x? 1 upon 2 root x. Right. So now we can write root 2 upon 2 can be written as root 2 into root 2 then root x. ये cancel हो गया. So what will be your final answer? e raised to root 2x upon ये क्या है? root 2 root x, which is root 2x. I hope you understood. Okay. Let's take another example. F of x is x to the power k, and they have given that f dash of 1 is 10. Derivative at x is equals to 1 is 10. We have to find what will be the value of k. Okay, so what we will do? First take derivative. f dash of x. डेरिवेटिव क्या होगा, x to the power n. So what is the derivative? n into x raised to n minus 1. ठीक है. Now they have given f dash of 1. So put x is equals to 1. This is 10 is equals to k. 1 raised to anything is 1. So this will, we will get k. So k is 10. Next question. What they are given? F of x is given x square minus 6x plus 8. They want to find what will be f dash of 5 minus f dash of 8. Okay, so first find the derivative f dash of x, which is derivative of x square is 2x minus 6. Derivative of x is 1. Now we want to find f dash of 5. So calculate f dash of 5. So 2 into 5 minus 6, which is 10 minus 6, which is 4. Similarly, find f dash of 8, which is 2 into 8. Substitute x is equals to 8 here. Minus 6. 16 minus 6 is 10. But we want to find f dash of 5 minus f dash of 8. F dash of 5 minus f dash of 8, which is 4 minus 10, and it is minus 6. 4 minus 10 is minus 6. Okay. Next question is yes. They are saying the curve is given as 2x cube minus 5x square minus 3x. 5x square minus 3x. Okay, and we have to find gradient. You have to find gradient at x is equals to 0. Gradient at x is equals to 0. Now, what is gradient? Gradient is nothing but, gradient is also called as slope, and that is dy by dx. Okay, so what you will do? Find dy by dx. It will be 6x square minus 10x minus 3. Now we have to substitute x is equals to 0. Put कर दो 0. So 6 into 0 square minus 10 into 0 minus 3, which is minus 3. dy by dx is minus 3. Let's solve one more sum. 2 question basically, and then we'll stop. We'll do integration. Again same type of question. 2x cube minus 3x square minus 12x plus 8. Okay, we have to find what will be the gradient. Again we have to find gradient, and what is given? X is 0. So first differentiate this dy by dx. 2 as it is, x cube का derivative 3x square minus 3 as it is, derivative of x square is 2x minus 12 x का derivative is 1 और 8 का 0. Now put x is equals to 0. क्या हो जाएगा? ये 0, this is also 0. क्या बचेगा? minus 12. So dy by dx, that is gradient at x is equals to 0, is minus 12. So this is about derivative. Now we'll do integration. Let's start with integration. Integration. Okay. First we'll look at the formulas, few formulas, and then we'll do few examples. Here we have function y or function, and here we will have integration of our function. Function and its integration. So if you have x raised to n, then derivative will be x to the power n plus 1 upon n plus 1 plus c. This is x raised to n. Then e raised to x का derivative will be e raised to integration. Integration will be e raised to x. Again we have a raised to x. Its integration will be e to the power x upon log a. Then we have 1 upon x. Integration of 1 upon x, it will be log x, and integration of any constant k, we will write it as kx. And in integration, everywhere you have to write plus c plus c plus c. Okay, so these are some basic formulas of integration. And then we have few special formulas, which are, first one is, suppose you have integration and in numerator you have f dash of x and in denominator you have function into dx. So your answer, that is, नीचे denominator में you have a function and in numerator you have its derivative. So what will be the answer? Log of mod of function plus c. Log of mod of function plus c. Then you have another formula, that is integration of e raised to x, then you have function plus its derivative. Function and its derivative. Okay. Now what you will get? Function and derivative. अगर e raised to x है तो e raised to x into function into its function plus c. E raised to x into function plus c. Now then you have integration of u into v rule. uv is dx, which is u into integration of v dx minus क्या करते हैं? Integration and again integration of v dx. This same answer we will write it here into u का derivative, and then we have whole dx. Okay, we'll do example for this. So this was e raised to x f dash of x u into v rule. चलो उसके बाद इवन फंक्शन क्या होता है? व्हाट इज इवन फंक्शन? यू हैव इवन फंक्शन एंड ऑड फंक्शन. इवन फंक्शन विल बी अगर f of x is same as f of minus x, f of x is same as f of minus x, then that will be called as even function. जैसे f of x is x square है, what will be f of minus x? That is, in place of x put minus x. So what you will get? Minus x the whole square, which is x square, and this is f of x. So f of minus x is plus with f of x, right? So we will call this function as even function. Now what is odd function? Suppose we have function f of x, f of minus x is same as minus of f of minus x is same as minus of f of x. Like suppose you have f of function as x, so what will be f of minus x? Which is minus x, and this we can write it as minus of f of x, right? So what did we get? F of minus x is minus f of x. It means the given function is odd function. Okay, so if function is even, if f of x is even, then what do we write? Integration of minus a to a f of x dx is 2 into 0 to a f of x dx. Okay, but if you have function as odd, minus a to a f of x dx, then, and if fx is given as odd function, then you will get answer as 0. Okay, This was odd function and even function. Similarly, you can write a to b f of x dx. We usually write this as a to b f of, दोनों लिमिट को ऐड कर दो और उसको x से माइनस करो, a plus b minus x dx. Both of them are same, one and the same. Okay, this is the formula. Now let's do few question. And remember this, what is derivative of x square? X square का derivative है 2x. And what is integration of 2x? 2 into x square upon 2, 2 कैंसिल, क्या आया, x स्क्वायर आ रहा है, तो x स्क्वायर का डेरिवेटिव इज 2x एंड 2x का इंटीग्रेशन इज x स्क्वायर. सो डेरिवेटिव, फंक्शन का डेरिवेटिव और उसका फंक्शन का इंटीग्रेशन दोनों क्या होते हैं, अपोजिट होते हैं, एक दूसरे के उल्टा. ओके, नाउ विल डू, चलो कुछ एग्जांपल्स करते हैं. Suppose you have function is given as f of x. Let's take the easier one first. X square minus 1 into dx, right? So what you will do, x square minus 1 into dx, right? So take integration of x square. What will be integration of x square? It will be x cube upon 3 minus, what is integration of 1? It is x plus c. So this is f of x is equals to x cube upon 3 minus x plus c. Next you have ऐसे questions, integration of 1 minus 3x and 1 plus x dx. This integration you have to do. So how will you do? Here either you can use u into v rule, or what we will do first, we will simplify these two brackets. Okay, so what will be the simplification? 1 into 1 is 1, 1 into x is x, then minus 3x into 1 minus 3x, minus 3x into x minus 3x square into d of x. Now take the integration. What is integration of 1? X. X का integration x square upon 2, then minus 3x इसका integration minus 3x square upon 2 minus 3x square का integration is x cube upon 3 plus c. Now what you will do, x, what will be this, minus x square minus 3x square, denominator are same, so we will subtract the numerator. So this is 1 minus 3 is minus 2x square upon 2 minus 3 cancel, x cube plus c, which can be written as 2 cancel, x minus x square minus x cube plus c. Okay, next question let's do. See what is given, function is given as f of x is 1 to 2 2x upon 1 plus x square into dx, 1 plus x square into dx. This is function is given. Now we have to find what will be its integration. Now what is the derivative of 1 plus x square? It is 1 का derivative is 0 plus x square का 2x, which is 2x. So 2x is present in the numerator. So in denominator we have a function and उसका derivative कहाँ present है, numerator में. So what is the answer? What is the integration? Log of function. Okay, now they have given limit as 1 to 2. So first what to do, apply the upper limit and then lower limit, which is log of 1 plus 2 square minus log of 1 plus 1 square, which is log of 5. 2 square is 4 plus 1 5 minus log 2. Now what is log a minus log b? It is log a upon b. So log a upon b. So this is our final answer. Here, next question is integration of e to the power x minus e to the power minus x upon e to the power x plus e to the power minus x dx. What to do? अब देखो, what is derivative of this? e to the power x plus e to the power minus x का derivative. e raised to x derivative is e raised to x. Then what is derivative of e raised to minus x? e raised to minus x. Then again take derivative of minus x, which is minus 1. So minus 1. इसको सिंप्लीफाई करो, क्या आएगा? e to the power x minus 1 minus into plus minus e to the power minus x. ये आ रहा है e raised to x minus e to the power minus x. So this is function और उसका डेरिवेटिव कहाँ प्रेजेंट है? न्यूमरेटर में. So what will be the answer? Log of mod of function, which is this, plus c. Everywhere there should be plus c. Yes. Okay. Yes. This question. We'll do 2 more questions and then we'll stop. 2 to 3 f of 5 minus x dx minus integration 2 to 3 f of x dx. This is given, so we'll write this as it is, first integration as it is, 2 to 3 f of 5 minus x dx minus ये क्या होगा? दिस इज, वी विल अप्लाई इंटीग्रेशन a टू b वाला फॉर्मूला. इसको क्या लिख सकते हैं? f ऑफ दिस प्लस दिस माइनस एक्स, 3 प्लस 2 माइनस एक्स इंटू डी एक्स. नाउ वॉट इज 3 प्लस 2? 5 माइनस एक्स. ये और ये बोथ आर सेम, right? Both of them are same. So what we will cancel? So answer will be 0. Answer is 0. It is given x minus 1 into e to the power x upon x square dx. We have to find its integration. So what we will do first? First we will rewrite it as x minus 1 upon x square dx, right? So separate the denominator. We can write it as x upon x square minus 1 upon x square dx. Okay, simplify this. e to the power x, x और एक x cancel, क्या बचेगा? 1 by x minus 1 by x square dx. Right. Now what is derivative of 1 by x? 1 by x का डेरिवेटिव क्या होता है? minus 1 by x square, right? minus 1 by x square. So this is function और बाजू में क्या है उसका डेरिवेटिव. So this is of the form e raised to x f of x plus f dash of x dx. आंसर क्या आता है? e raised to x f of x plus c. So here what will you get? e to the power x into f of x, which is 1 by x plus c, and this can be written as e to the power x upon x plus c. This is the integration of this. So these were few special types of question from derivative and integration. Chalo, bye.